You look at entrepreneurs, we are that small percentage of the population. They get up every day, we go into the future, create a new reality, come back to the present, and demand it becomes real. And that journey, that exercise takes a tremendous amount from us as entrepreneurs. And here's the challenge for us as time goes on. We travel into the future, and that future that we see gets more and more clear, more compelling, more exciting, especially as we gain experience. But how we translate it to what we need to do day to day gets more and more difficult for ourselves as individuals. And then as we build a team, it gets even more difficult because complexity increases. And here's what's interesting about us as entrepreneurs. If we go out into the future and we talk about that future, it is crystallized, it is real. We can express it with emotion and with passion. We can get excited about it. But if we are asked what we're going to do today to get there, that's where it feels overwhelming. In the present, in the moment is where we experience entrepreneurial blindness. We have this compelling future, but in the present, there's blindness as to what to do next. There's blindness as to what step to take next. It is one of the most challenging places to be. And here are the symptoms of entrepreneurial blindness. If you're sitting there thinking, no, I have a really clear plan, well, let's just talk about three of the symptoms. And there is a ton of symptoms. Having turnover with people is a symptom that you as an entrepreneur have entrepreneurial blindness. Not meeting your goals or outcomes that you set, that is a symptom. There's a ton. But I want to share the three that I think are most compelling to get you to pay attention to this, to get you to understand that this exists, and to understand that there's actually a pretty simple way to walk out of this. And so here's the issue with entrepreneurial blindness, is that it triggers us as entrepreneurs, and it keeps us in a place where we're triggered, where we're challenged, and it does that across the board with everything we do. And so the first symptom of entrepreneurial blindness is that we become a bottleneck in our business. Now think about how high is the agitation level, the anxiety level around being a bottleneck in your business, knowing that there's more to do, knowing that you're the one slowing things down. It's incredibly challenging. See, if we have clarity about what we're doing in the moment, in the present, then we don't have that anxiety around, or we don't have that bottleneck energy. If we have clarity and we can communicate to our team, we don't become the bottleneck. The reason that entrepreneurs are a bottleneck is this: it's simple. The vision is clear. They communicate the vision. In a lot of cases, some entrepreneurs do it pretty well, but there's no plan that connects the vision down to what are we going to do on a day-to-day basis for each member of the company. There's no plan that connects the vision to here's what we're going to execute over the next 30 days, over the next quarter, over the next year, in order to predictably grow this company to an exponential level of success.